Many real estate agents find themselves beholden to the branding of their brokerage. Especially when it comes to large national chains, it's easy to rely on their real estate logo, their brand awareness, and their media kit. But that can't last forever. What happens when you want to branch out on your own? As a real estate agent, you shouldn't rely upon your brokerage's real estate marketing as a crutch. You need to develop your own real estate branding. Today, we're going to take a look at 14 of the best real estate branding ideas. I'm not going to talk about abstract ideas or generalized branding concepts. I'm going to give you actionable ideas that you can start using now. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader here in San Antonio, Texas. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. Before I get started, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't already, as I release a new training 3 times per week, as well as go live every Tuesday, and you won't want to miss any of it. Finally, if you'd like my free real estate business plan template to track your sales, commissions, profit and loss, net worth, and budget, head over to kylehandy.com/business plan to download it today. Okay, now let's get started. The first idea out of our 14 is number 1, to start a podcast. Starting a real estate podcast is a great way to expand your reach. Target it to potential buyers or other prospective clients, and you'll be able to keep access to your target audience until they're ready to commit. This branding strategy can take some time to pay off, but it's valuable because it builds trust in your audience long before they know that they need you. Creating a podcast that's all about the real estate market in your town, for instance, can draw people in who are at the preliminary stages of home buying. Number 2, write an ebook. If you don't have time for the weekly podcast, consider an ebook. You can write an ebook once and then let people access it through your website. An ebook will also establish trust with your audience. It serves as a critical marketing material and an extension of your personal branding. And be creative. 1,000 real estate agents have already written "buying your first home," "getting a home loan," or "renovating a home." While this does create the foundation of a great content marketing campaign, you want to be the best. Consider 10 of the most luxurious and affordable homes in Key West. The pros and cons of buying a loft in New York City. Moving to a farm? Are you ready for Texas acreage? These show niche potential. The target audience for the book needs to align with your own target audience. That's it. Think about the things that your prospective clients actually want to know, not just the things that are easy to write about. Number 3, create a YouTube channel. There are few things in today's market as effective for your personal brand as a YouTube channel. Create a YouTube channel to discuss changes in the real estate industry, questions a prospective buyer or seller might have, or just the listings that you have now. Video is great for realtor branding because it introduces your audience to you on a more personal level. People can see the earnestness and enthusiasm in your eyes and will consequently trust you more. Number 4, start streaming on Facebook Live. In addition to YouTube, you can also start streaming live. Facebook, YouTube, and even Instagram can play into this type of marketing strategy. Even Twitter and LinkedIn have live video functionality now. Live streaming helps to build a brand because it makes it easier to interact directly with your audience. Consider hosting a weekly Q&A session. Maybe prospective buyers want to pick your brain about the current real estate market. Maybe prospective sellers want to know what they can do to make their property more attractive. Once you start a conversation with a potential customer, you're already well on your way to securing them as a client. And if nothing else, you'll be extending your brand recognition. Number 5, find an unexpected niche. Real estate professionals have operated in some surprising areas. Of course, there are agents who focus their real estate business on old or historic properties, but there are also real estate agents who specialize in haunted houses, or agents who specialize in off-grid cabins. If you're just an agent, you're in competition with tens of thousands of other agents. But if your personal brand is more specific, you'll have less competition and therefore greater access to your target audience. Think about what you enjoy selling? Is there something you'd really love? Think back to perhaps your favorite client to work with. What was special about what they were looking for? Number 6. Start an Instagram or TikTok account. Social media is a type of content marketing. Like ebooks, it's designed to bring in an audience that looks a lot like your client's demographics. Instagram and TikTok have both proven to be spectacularly useful for digital marketing. These social media channels prioritize highly viral, short-form video content. With Instagram, you could start posting about enchanted houses in your area. Eventually, you'll get an audience of people who love interesting properties. You can then direct them towards working with you. With TikTok, you can take short videos about the real estate market to further develop your real estate branding strategy. Millennials are increasingly using TikTok, making it a fast-growing social media marketing opportunity. Number 7. Get yourself interviewed. Services such as Haro, Help a Reporter Out, make it possible to connect with reporters looking for sources. Consider signing up for sites like this to build upon your branding efforts. By being interviewed as an expert, you don't just expand your brand identity, you develop your authority. People reading the news will be aware that you're a resource. People who look you up will see you in the news. Apart from getting interviewed, you can also send in opinion posts, blogs, and articles to venues such as Business Insider, Forbes, and Entrepreneur. While these periodicals are highly selective, getting into one of them can dramatically increase your search ratings. You can then funnel all that traffic through your real estate website and social media platform of choice. Number 8. Make creative business cards. Have you ever seen a business card so great that you said, "I need to keep this"? It happens. Creative business cards may have an interesting shape, such as a key, or be made out of a great material, such as wood. Either way, they capture attention and serve as both a keepsake and a brand mark. Eventually, most people who have your card will be buying or selling a home. If they still have your marketing in their wallet, they are all the more likely to call you. Cards that are also refrigerator magnets are a great example of something that's designed to remain persistent. For some great business card ideas that will actually get you noticed, check out my other video that I'll link above. Number 9. Hire an image stylist. An image stylist is a professional whose sole focus is to make sure that your image matches your marketing. Not only will they go over traditional things like your wardrobe, but they'll also talk to you about your online presence. They are experts in how people react to a person's image, much like a public relations manager. If you aren't sure how you're coming off to your audience, an image stylist can help. Especially today, many find that they aren't able to accurately present their tone online. They may sound sarcastic when they're being earnest. They may be perceived as being short with customers when they're trying to be efficient. An image stylist or brand manager can help you break through any issues with your marketing so you can start developing the real estate branding that you want. Number 10, connect with a brand influencer. Influencers are social media experts with huge followings. Often, you can pay them and they can mention your company. Look for influencers who mesh with your brand, who have the same values and mission that you do. Brand influencers can be very effective with real estate because real estate is so local. Find an influencer who is followed by people who live in your area and you'll have access to a huge audience of prospective customers. Brand influencers are a type of word-of-mouth marketing. Work with an influencer enough and they are able to extend your brand and its awareness. Just make sure that you connect with an influencer who is trusted in your area. Getting a shout out from an international star might bump up your traffic without increasing your leads. Number 11, install an AI chatbot. An AI chatbot on your website or your Facebook business account will capture leads for you even when you're not around. More to the point, you can program an AI chat to match your brand. If your tone is fun and confident, your AI can sound that way. If your tone is serious and professional, your AI can be programmed that way too. You train your AI on its scripted responses. The AI just figures out when to give each scripted response. This doesn't just improve your real estate branding, it can collect contact information for your leads and even help your leads schedule meetings with you. Number 12, invest in highly targeted ads. While you're building your brand, consider the benefit of paid real estate marketing. Targeted ads can be sent on Google or Facebook to exactly the type of audience that you're looking for. For instance, if you focus on helping small business owners find commercial real estate, you could target your ads to small business owners making $1 million or more in your area. Just keep in mind that in the recent years, Facebook has limited the amount of audiences that you can target. Design your ad around your branding. Incorporate your colors, logo, and image. By targeting these ads, you're increasing brand awareness specifically amongst the audience most likely to be interested in your services. Over time, you'll be able to refine your audience and your ads so that you can distribute your real estate branding directly to those who will value it the most. Number 13. Hold a lifestyle photo shoot. Is your current headshot just a shot of you over a white background? For some focuses, that's perfect, but some focuses, such as first-time homebuyer real estate, demand a little more personalization. Increasingly, it's common to hire a professional photographer to take pictures of you throughout your day. A photo of you closing a deal with a client is likely more engaging than a simple headshot. Litter these photos throughout your media, social media, websites, brochures, and pamphlets. They will give your potential customers insights into what they can expect from you. Number 14. Go national. Most real estate professionals only target their own market, but there is one reason why you might want to extend your real estate branding nationally. You might want to capture the attention of people moving into your area. Real estate branding is local, but that doesn't mean local to you. Take a look at the people who are most likely to be moving to your area. If your area is growing, people are coming from somewhere. By targeting these areas, you grow into a niche. While there may be a lot of agents where you are and where your potential clients are, there may not be many agents specifically targeting those making the transition. Alright, so building a consistent brand is about so much more than your visual identity. It's more than just creating a brand logo and brand colors. Look online and you'll get traditional, general advice, send out direct mail, build a website, start a social media account, but you can follow all the advice you want and still end up lost. The bottom line is that you need a brand that you can believe in. Once you know what your real estate company is about, real estate marketing ideas will follow. Here are some frequently asked questions that I get about real estate branding. How do realtors rebrand? Rebranding starts with developing a strong idea of who you are and what your place is in the market. From there, it's a matter of creating your brand voice and logo, developing your content, and managing social media accounts. What is brand identity in real estate? A real estate brand refers to the values, missions, and product that people associate with a real estate agent. A real estate agent generally wants to be perceived as trustworthy, reliable, and confident, but they also may want a potential client to see them as trustworthy within a specific area, such as commercial real estate or luxury. Why is branding important for real estate? If someone's looking for a luxury property, where do they go? They look up luxury properties real estate agent. Your branding is important because it's what leads clients to you within your niche. Without branding, you're competing with every other real estate agent in the real estate business. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. And by the way, if you're interested in partnering with me at eXp Realty, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits that you receive. I'm passionate about helping agents win. I've already partnered with nearly 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads. And I'm never too busy for you. When you partner with me, you receive free access to all of my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called The Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #EndCrew into the comments to let me know that you watched to the end. And now I want to turn it over to you. Have you tried any of these branding ideas for your real estate business? Which strategy have you found that works best? Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.